Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for your being here today. My name is Revi Damayanti, and I'm really happy to have this opportunity to talk about a topic that is very important in our daily life: understanding law and business law. Many people think that law is something complicated or only for lawyer, but actually in an office or even for something online, uh, all of these actions are influenced by law. Law is like an invisible system that keep our society organized and fair. Without it, people could do whatever they wanted and life would be full of conflict and chaos. So, in this presentation, I'm going to explain what law really means, what it's for, and how it connects to business law. We also discuss why understanding business law is so important for everyone, not just business people, but for all of us who want to live responsible and fairly in society. Let's start with the basic question. What is a law? Law is a set of rules created by the government or other authorized institution to guide and control human behavior. These rules tell us what is right and what is wrong, what we can do and what we cannot do, and what will happen if we break them. The main goal of law is to maintain order, justice, and legal certainty. According to a famous legal scholar named named Attrake, law is a collection of rules that organize public order and can be enforced by the government to ensure fairness for everyone. In simple terms, law is like a system that helps everyone live peaceful together. Without law, there would be no boundaries. People could harm others, steal, cheat, and or act unfairly, and no one could stop them. So law protect us from injustice and help create a peaceful environment where everyone's rights are respected. It's not just about punishment, it's about maintaining balance and harmony in our life. Next, law has many purposes that make it essential for society. First, law exists to uphold justice, which means making sure that everyone is treated fairly regardless of who they are. Second, it's help maintaining peace and social order, so people can live and work without fear. Third, law provide legal certainty, means that everyone know what the rules are and what will happen if those rules are broken. Fourth is protect people right and responsibilities, ensuring that everyone can live freely but also responsibility. And lastly, it solves conflict peacefully, giving people a way to settle their problem without using violence. For example, if two people have a disagreement about property or money, they can go to court instead of fighting. The law acts as a fair referee that listen to both sides and give a balanced decision. In short, law brings structure, justice, and peace. It's what allows society to function smoothly. Next, law is different from ordinary rules because it has specific characteristics that make it strong and unforgettable. First is regulate human behavior in society, meaning that it guides how people should act toward one another. Second, it is binding, which means that everyone must follow it, No one is above the law, not even the government. Third, law is enforceable, meaning that if someone breaks it, there will consequences such as fines or imprisonment. Fourth, it is made by authorizing institutions, such as the government or parliament, that ensure legitimacy. And lastly, it applies to everyone continuously, which means the law doesn't stop working just because time passes or people change. These characteristics make the law something powerful, respected, and necessary. They also remind of us that the law is not meant to restrict freedom. Instead, it protects people from injustice and help maintaining equality in society. Next, the law has several sources, in other words, different origins that give it authority. The first and most common source is law and regulation, which are written and passed by the government. The second source is custom or traditions, especially as communities where certain practices have been followed for generations and are considered binding. The third source is treaties between countries, which create international rules for trade, diplomacy, and cooperation. The fourth is court decision, also called jurisprudence, where judges' pass decision becomes reference for similar case in the future. Finally, there are legal doctrines, which are opinions or writing from legal experts that help guide judges and lawmakers. These sorts ensure that law can grow, adapt, and respond to new challenges in society, from traditional customer to modern global business. Next is law is generally divided into two main branches: public law and private law. Public law deals with the relationship between the government and its citizens. It includes are like criminal law, which punish crimes such as theft of or fraud, and constitutional law, which defines how the government work and protect citizen rights. Private law, on the other hand, focus on relationship between individual or organization. It's covered things like civil law, family law, and business law. Public law is meant to protect society as a whole, while provide private law ensure fairness between people or companies. For example, if someone commits a crime, that's a public law issue, but if two companies agree over a contract, that's private law. Both are equally important because they balance the need of individual and society as a whole. Now, let's focus on business law, which is a branch of private law. Business law is a set of rules that regulate business activities such as trade, finance, and industry. It covers everything from contract and company structure to buying, selling, and investing. The main purpose of business law is to make sure that all business activities are fair, legal, and transparent. For example, when two companies make a contract, business law ensure that both sides follow what they have agreed on. It also helps protect customers from fraud, false advertising, and poor quality product. Business law is essential because it creates trust. When people know there are clear rules, they feel safe doing business. It also helps promote fair competition, so that all companies have the same chance to grow without cheating or corruption. Next, the purpose of business law goes far beyond just controlling companies. Its main goal is to provide legal century for business people, so they can operate confidently under clear rules. It also protect right and duty is every transaction. For example, ensuring that buyer get the product they paid for and seller receive fair payment. Another purpose is to prevent fraud and unfair competition, so that no one takes advantage of after dishonestly. Business law also ensures justice and fairness, keeping equality between large and small business. And lastly, is build trust in economic activities. Help investor, customer, and entrepreneur feel confident that their rights are protected. A country with strong business law usually has a stronger economy because people know their hard work and investment are safe. Next, business law covered a wide range of areas. It includes company laws, which regulate how companies are created, managed, and dissolved. It also includes contract laws, which deals with making and enforcing agreements. Trade law control how goods and services are bought and sold. Then there's investment law, which ensure that investors are protected, and bankruptcy law, which explain what happens when a business cannot pay its debt. Customer protect law ensure that customer get safe product and honest treatment, while capital market law regulates the buying and selling of company shares in the stock market. All of these are work together to keep business activities fair and efficient, help both entrepreneur and customer feel protected to keep business active to feel protected. Almost every business activity is influenced by law. For example, when you buy or sell a product that's covered by sales and purchase agreement. When someone creates a company like a PT, CV, or firm, that's also regulated by laws. Business law also covers business licensing, investment, and intellectual property, such as trademark, patent, and copyright. If a business violates an agreement, the law provides a fair way to solve the dispute. It even applies to modern activities like co- commerce, e-commerce, and digital transaction, which are growing very fast today. This law exists to make sure that businesses are responsible, customers are protected, and the economy runs smoothly. Business law is guided by several key principles. The first is freedom on contract, meaning people can make their own agreement as long as they are legal. The second is good faith, which means both sides must be honest and fair. The third is legal certainty, meaning everyone must follow clear and consistent rules. The fourth is justice, ensuring fair outcomes for all parties. And the last is responsibility, which means people must accept the result of their decision and action. These principles help build trust and ethics in the business world, making sure that business relationships are based on honesty, respect, and fairness. Business law is guided by several key principles. The first is freedom on contract, meaning people can make their own agreement as long as they are legal. The second is good faith, which means both sides must be honest and fair. The third is legal certainty, meaning everyone must follow clear and consistent rules. The fourth is justice, ensuring fair outcomes for all parties. And the last is responsibility, which means people must accept the result of their decision and action. These principles help build trust and ethics in the business world, making sure that business relationships are based on honesty, respect, and fairness. Next, studying business law gives us many important benefits. It helps us understand our rights and obligations in business so we don't get trapped or make illegal decisions. It teaches us how to make contracts that are valid, clear, and fair. It also helps us avoid business disputes by accepting responsibility and with following the rules. Knowing business law allows us to make smarter decisions because we understand the risks and legal consequences of our action. It also helps us become more professional and ethical, which is very important in today's competitive world. Whether we become entrepreneur, manager and or employees, understanding business law help us build trust, avoid mistake, and grow successfully. Next, in the modern era, business law face many new challenges. The rapid growth of digital technology and e-commerce has created new type of business, but also new risks such as cybercrime and data theft. Businesses now operate across borders, which means the law had to handle international trade and investment issues. At the same time, tax and investment rules keep changing, and companies must adapt quickly. There are also higher demand for transparency, ethics, and environmental responsibility. Customers today want companies to be honest, fair, and sustainable. This means business law must continue to evolve, not just to punish bad behavior, but also to guide business to act responsibility in this modern digital economy. So, to sum up, law is the foundation of peace, order, and justice in society. While business law makes sure that business activities are done fairly, safely, and responsibly. Without law, there would be no stability, and without business law, there would be no trust in the economy. Law helps us respect each other, right? While business law helps create opportunities and protect everyone involved in business activities. By learning and understanding this topic, we can become more responsible citizens and professional work act with honest and integrity. So, thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I hope this help you can see that law is not just about subject to study. It's something that's with us every day in living and working the right way. So, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.